Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have super exciting video for you. I know many of you will be excited to see this new hot release from Chanel. I managed to get my hands on the Chanel Kelly. You know I'm not a fan of this name, right? I spoke about it in one of my previous videos, but we'll talk about it later. This is my first fall winter 23 unboxing. Don't worry, the shopping vlog is coming, but I really wanted to unbox this one ASAP as soon as I got my hands on it. So if you're interested, keep watching. In today's video, I'm also partnering with DAISYSILK and I cannot wait to show you my pics and style them up with the new baby Chanel bag. So I got 4 items and some of them are silk, some of them are cashmere because I'm definitely getting ready for fall and winter, and you guys know I'm obsessed with knitwear. I'm so glad I discovered DAISYSILK and I wanted to introduce the brand to you. They produce pure natural mulberry silk, which is anti-allergic class A fabric. So I picked up 2 of their silk pieces and 2 cashmere pieces as well. And to be honest, the colors I chose are perfect for today's unboxing. So I think all these pieces will go so great with the bag, the color of the bag that I got. Can't wait to show you in a second. But I also love to feel luxurious at home, and I had to pick up this absolutely stunning grey robe. It is also available in other colors, but I thought this one was such a stunning color, plus it matches my interior. Is it weird that I like to be always matchy even with my interior, because my furniture is mainly black and light grey? Anyway, do you guys find that weird? But yeah, I absolutely love it. The color is stunning and you can guys see that their silks exquisite. It is a 6A grade, the purest mulberry silk. I'm sure you have guys heard that some people refer to silk as second skin. It is the queen of fibers. It has so many good benefits for your skin. The other silk piece that I got is a silk skirt. I have been obsessed with silk skirts recently. You can definitely see the premium texture and the luster of their silk pieces. You can see how it shines, how it falls. It is a very heavy, great quality, luxurious silk. It is also double lined, it's not see-through. I love styling silks with cashmere, with knit pieces, so I'm gonna show you how I'm going to style it with the bag and some of the knits I picked up as well. Let me show you them. I got this really beautiful cashmere sweater, and guys, I'll show you the fabric up close. It is absolutely stunning. It's very lightweight, but again, cashmere is a natural fabric and it keeps you extremely warm in the winter, but at the same time it feels very lightweight. It's not bulky under your coats. So this one I got in a size medium, and I love the little dots. Can you guys see? It's a bit more unique. Such a beautiful shade of pink, very easy to style, a bit more neutral, so I love that. And then, if you know me, this is a no surprise, a white cashmere jumper with such a classic style, and I really love the, can you guys see the cable knit detailing right in the front? It looks very elongating, very flattering, a bit more different as well. I love that detail. And also the pattern makes the jumper look very wintry and cozy as well. I will link everything down below in the description box. And also I do have a discount code that I'll share with you here on the screen if you want to take advantage, save up some money. Alright, here we go. Are you guys surprised it comes in this box? Well, I did post on my Instagram if you're not following me, by the way. Here is my Instagram, you can check it out here. You can see my new purchases. I post my daily outfits on stories. Come say hi. I would love to see you on my Instagram as well. But if you're not following me on Instagram, I showed you a little sneak peek the day before the launch actually of the new collection. I went to see this bag and I hesitated for the longest time. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it. I initially reserved another one. I think I mentioned that in my previous videos, and then later on changed my mind, decided to go for something completely different, but at the same time I wasn't allowed to bring it back home with me that day because they didn't officially launch. So they were launching the next day or the day after, I can't remember. So I wasn't allowed to take the bag home with me, but I reserved it and they shipped it to me. So let me show you. I haven't unboxed anything, so this is a true unboxing. Let's see how they wrapped up everything. We have the Chanel shopping bag. Ooh, what's in here? This looks interesting. I love surprises like this. Let me open it up and show you. I think this is the catalogue. Alright, yeah, this is the catalogue. I actually haven't received it in the post yet. Normally I receive it in the post, but my say was so kind and they sent me the catalogue. Can't wait to have a look at that. I love the photographs in all the catalogues. I keep all of them. Oh my god, you guys won't believe how big this box is. Are you kidding me? How did the bag fit in here? I mean, have a look at this. Look how slim this box is. Okay, let's have a look. I'm dying to see the bag, although I've seen it already, but can you guys guess which color I decided to get? It's not the one that I initially wanted. I don't know why I changed my mind last minute, but oh god, it's so tiny. I can't believe how tiny this is. Can we see how tiny this is? Here she is. Stop. Stop it! Was this a stupid purchase? I would love to hear what you guys think. Honestly, I hesitated for the longest time, but at the end I didn't want to miss out and I was like, I better get it because I don't want to regret later, you know? Do you know what? It looks like a toy. It looks like a toy. Okay, this is the chain. Let me unwrap this so we can see the chain. Alright, as you can see, it has a long crossbody strap, and yes, it is long enough to fit crossbody. This was gonna be a deal breaker for me if it didn't fit me crossbody. To me, it looked perfect. It sat exactly where I wanted this bag to sit crossbody, and the color was too sweet. Honestly, I saw this bag in a few different colors, but this very light soft pink, just I don't know, I couldn't resist, especially in this mini size and the gold hardware. I don't really wear pinks as much. Initially I really wanted a black one. Do I regret not getting the black one? I'm not sure, to be honest. I did really like it when I saw it, especially with the aged gold hardware. It did look stunning. I will insert a clip because I'm not sure if the vlog is up already. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one you would have picked. The light pink, the classic black, the white. It also came in jersey fabric, in black jersey fabric, and also fuchsia pink. There is another pink shade, which is, I'll insert a picture here so you can see. It's like a candy pink, a bit more Barbie, I would say. To me, this is a better pink. I think it suits my complexion better and it will be a bit easier to style since I don't really wear pinks as much. This is a perfect neutral. And now you can see how I will style it with the new DAISYSILK pieces. I think it looks so beautiful with the cashmeres, but especially with that pink jumper and also with champagne colors. It's like neutrals. It looks so stunning. It is not too pink, so it doesn't clash. It is a very soft neutral pink, and I think it pairs really nicely with beiges as well. So this, as many of you may know, is a vintage style. They reissued this bag. As far as I'm aware, they have never released such a tiny micro version of this bag in the past. Correct me if I'm wrong. It was only available in larger sizes. The reason I didn't buy this bag, the new version, in the larger size is because I thought it was a bit too dressy and a bit too girly, and yeah, I just didn't think it will suit my personal style. So actually I think that's a good advice. No matter how hyped up a bag is, if it's not your style, don't go for it. Don't spend the crazy money for the bag just because it's trendy and because everyone wants it. So think about your personal style and what you wear, what you like, if it will go with your wardrobe. So yeah, as much as I loved the larger size, that was the bag I saw on the runway, I messaged my SA straight away that I wanted to pre-order the bag. I decided to go for something that I thought was a bit more me and that I thought would get more wear out of. I know many of you will probably think I'm crazy that I went for the micro instead of the regular size. It is tiny, but should we see what fits inside? I'm gonna film a clip and insert it so we can see what fits inside this bag. I personally think this is such an iconic style, and that's another reason I didn't want to miss out. I still wanted to get it. The leather feels very, very durable. It looks a bit crinkled, but it's not defective, it's just the way the leather looks, which I actually really like. I love that it's not very smooth lambskin, because then it would have scratched a lot, and I feel this one will be a bit more hard wearing. I also think this finish really suits the bag, and also I love how they added the quilting to the new design. So compared to the vintage styles, they were all smooth. Some of them I've seen ones in fabric, but most of them will be smooth, like grainy leather, but smooth without the quilting on the front, and they didn't have the long crossbody chain. It is not removable, but you can put it inside, although if you put the chain inside, that means you'll probably fit less stuff inside the little bag, especially if it's this size. So let me actually mention the price, because I know many of you will be curious. The price really surprised me. I really thought, well, it surprised me on the larger model, because I thought it would have been a lot more expensive, and it was just under 4,000. Actually, it was about 3,690 if I'm not mistaken, which for Chanel standards is quite cheap, I'm not gonna lie. That is the larger one. This cutie, this is actually in the SLG section on the website, and it retails for £2,490. However, I'm sure that this will be reselling for crazy premiums because there is a huge hype around it. I will actually share a little secret with you. Am I allowed to say this? Why not? If you missed on this bag, you probably heard it here first, okay? So do subscribe for all the latest Chanel info, because I'm obsessed with Chanel. We love Chanel on this channel. But if you haven't heard, if you didn't know, if you've missed on this bag, it will be coming back in January. That's what I heard. Let's see if it will happen. For now, there are rumors going around, so if you've missed on it, don't worry, it's coming back. I don't know what colors, I don't know what sizes, maybe the price will be higher, who knows. Let's see how well this one will do now, but I think this is probably the hottest bag of the season currently, so I'm sure this will do really well, and they would probably bring it back because Chanel does that, right? Before I end this video, a quick comparison. So we have a mini rectangle, a classic mini rectangle next to this little cutie. I also brought two more bags. So this is another SLG. This is the small hard bag. You can see they're actually very similar size, but I love that this one has a top handle. And last comparison, who remembers this little cutie from 21S, Spring Summer 2021. This is actually smaller, isn't it? This is taller, but I have a feeling they'll probably fit about the same. So yeah. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's super cute unboxing. Let me know your thoughts again in the comments. Do you like the new Chanel Kelly bag? Oh yeah, I don't like that name, I told you that. Let's not associate this bag with Hermes. It is Chanel shopping top handle bag. I forgot what they were calling it officially on the website. but this is not an Hermes bag, this is a Chanel bag, alright? I don't like how people call it the Chanel Kelly. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. I hope it was informative. We had a first look at the hottest, trendiest bag this season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!